Hey Bestie, want to learn how to make a gentle foaming face wash that actually works and sells? You're in the right place. This formula is beginner friendly, budget friendly, and perfect for every skin type. Let's get started. Welcome back to episode 2 of our Bestie Business series. Today, we're making a face wash that gently cleanses without stripping the skin. It's hydrating, non-drying, and filled with ingredients your customers will love. Let's break down our 100 grams formula. Distilled water, 58%, our base. Keeps the formula fluid and easy to apply. Sodium phytate, 0.2%. A natural chelator that boosts preservative power and keeps your formula stable. Glycerin, 7%. Humectant that draws water into the skin, keeps your skin hydrated. Xanthan gum, 0.3%, adds light thickness and stabilizes the cleanser. Always mix it with glycerin first to prevent clumping. Niacinamide, 2%, brightens and improves skin texture. Propanediol, 3%, boosts hydration and helps dissolve the niacinamide. Aloe vera juice, 5%, soothes and hydrates. Customers love this on the label. Cocoa glucoside, 6%, a mild surfactant that gently cleanses without irritation. Cocamidopropyl betaine, 6%, boosts, lather, and softens the surfactant system. SCI, sodium cocoyl isethionate, 5%, a creamy foaming cleanser. Handle with a mask and use in a well-ventilated area. N-acetylglucosamine, 2%, helps reduce dark spots when combined with niacinamide. Licorice root extract, 1%, soothes and brightens. Green tea extract, 1%, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. PE 9010, 1%, your preservative. Never skip this when water is involved. Substitutes, can't find SCI, replace with more cocoa glucoside. No niacinamide, skip actives and make it just hydrating. This video is sponsored by Pure Actives Key, your one-stop shop for natural wellness, premium chemical ingredients, aromatherapy oils, and botanical extracts that empower individuals to take control of their health, beauty, and well-being. Shop today by visiting their website at pureactivesco.ca. Step-by-step formulation. Step 1. In a sanitized beaker, blend glycerin and xanthan gum, pre-mix till smooth. To distilled water plus sodium phytate plus aloe juice plus propanediol. Step 2. In a second container, combine surfactants. SCI, pre-disperse with a little warm water if needed. cocoa glucoside, cocamidopropyl betaine. Step 3. Mix water phase and surfactant phase gently. Don't whip in bubbles. Step 4. Cool to under 40 degrees Celsius. Add niacinamide, NaG, licorice, green tea, preservative. Step 5. Adjust pH to 5.0, 5.5 using citric acid solution if needed. Step 6. Pour into a 100 milliliter foaming pump bottle. Label must include product name, weight, INCI ingredient list, usage direction, your business name, batch number, and country of origin. Pricing tip: this formula costs less than $1 to make per bottle. Sell between $8 to $12 depending on branding. And that's it, Bestie. You just made a professional face wash. You can start selling today. Next up, we're making a green tea face toner that customers with sensitive skin will love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You're building a skincare empire one bottle at a time.